Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon, good evening. For from wherever you are watching us, you're watching this video from. Okay, so this is question 26 under mathematics. Okay, we have this question 26, and this is why I like this question. There's another thing that is a bit new in this question here, which I also I want to buttress on. Okay, so like in this case here, you have 27 raised to power 1 over 3, 1 raised to power 1 over 3 times 1 over 3 raised to power what? 3 raised to power 4, which is very interesting. So in this case, something is common, okay, which is what? 2 raised to power 4, which is 3. 3 is common, okay? 3, 3 is what? Is common. 3, 3 is what? Is common. Now, if you look at this question very well, let's go straight to the solution. I can also still divide this into 2. Okay. Now, if you look at this 27 raised to power 1 over 3 times 1 over 3 times what? 1 over 3 raised to power what? 3 raised to power 4. It's very simple. It's just like chin chin and what? And pure water. How many times? 3 is common. How many times can I multiply 3 to get 27? That is 3 times 3, 9. 9 times 3 what? 9 times 3 is what? 27. So this one is the same thing as saying 3 raised to power 3 all over 1 over 3. Okay? So 3 raised to power 3 all over what? 1 over 3. Now, look at it very well. In one of the law of indices, okay, anything raised to power 0 is what? Is 1. I use myself as an example to make it more clearer. 3 joy raised to power 0 is what? Is 1. Okay? Anything raised to power 0 is 1. So in this case now, I would say this is the same thing as what? 3 raised to power 0. That's all raised to power 1 over what? 1 over 3. Okay? 3 raised to power 0. And don't forget the power on the 1. So then the last one there, which is what? Is same thing as saying 3 raised to power minus 4. Okay, that is inverse law. You understand? Inverse index law or inverse power law under what? Indices. I always mention it when I'm solving questions. Please go through the parts, listen to them, digest them. It will help you to touch base with a lot of questions. Now I've applied you know, power zero law here, okay, and I've also applied index law here. 1 over 3 raised to power 4 is anything as 3 raised to power minus what? Minus 4. Okay, and this is very simple. So from here now, from here we can see 3 we cancel what? 3, because 3 is power. 1 over 3 is also power. We can cancel each other. So this one is what? 3 times 0 times anything is what? 0. This one will still maintain 3 raised to power what? 3 raised to power 0. Okay? Then at the end of the day, you have your what? 3 raised to power minus 4. It's as simple as that. So you have your 3 raised to power what? Minus 4. So now from here, you can see that it's straightforward. Okay? Just pick one base and apply the law of indices. Okay? Multiplication law. Pick one base. They have the same base. This is 3, 3, 3. What I would do, is that I will pick one base. Is that not? I'll say this is 3. Okay? This is 3 raised to power 1, but we don't write it. Anything raised to power 1 is that thing. So this one is what? 1 plus what? 0 plus what? Minus 4. Don't forget the minus. Okay? Because if you didn't put the minus, you might get wrong answer. Okay, so the minus is what is important. You need to pick it. Okay, so and from here we can see that I can continue this one here. Okay, from here we can see that this is what? 3. Look at it. 1 plus 0 is what? 0. Plus times minus is coming out again. You will always see this plus times minus. Please go through the search, because I mentioned it, various multiplication of signs. I mention it there, okay, either part 2 or part 3, okay, because I know we'll still need it as you're solving question. That was why I mentioned it. So it's not all about jumping on the parts. Please go through them, except if you know that you already know them, then there's no cause for alarm. So 1 plus 0 is what? Is still 1. Then plus times minus is what? Minus. So at the end of the day, we'll have what? 1 minus what? 4. It's as simple as that. So this one will give us 1 minus 4. So it means that implies you have 1 minus 4 is what? Minus what? 3. I also mentioned this, okay? How you can subtract when a number is less than the other number, okay? When a number is higher than the other number. I also mentioned that in undersort, okay? Please go through them. So this one is the same thing as saying 3 raised to the power minus 3 is the same thing as saying 1 over what? 3 raised to the power 3. So it means that the answer is what? 1 over 3 times 3, 9. 9 times 3, 27. So it means the answer is what? 1 over what? 27. That is the simplification, because the question says simplify. Okay, that is the lowest you can go. All you just need to do, just go to the option and pick your answer. It's just like chin chin and pure water, and it's very, very what? It's very simple. Continue to comment, continue to like, continue to share, so that we can reach a lot of young minds for them to see how simple mathematics is. Cheers.